Hello, I'm Dean. I'm a tech at Horne Auto Center. Today we're talking a little bit about AC system maintenance. Because of the bacteria and spores and whatnot that can grow in your ductwork and the AC systems, mechanics will check your cabin air filter and replace it if needed. Cabin air filters trap pollen, bacteria, dust, and exhaust fumes before the air reaches your dashboard vents and pollutes the air that you and your passengers breathe. Dirty or clogged filters can cause a variety of problems, from musty odors to headaches, allergic reactions, or breathing problems from the fumes. So it's crucial to replace the filter before it gets that bad. Sometimes when turning on the air conditioner in cars and trucks brings on a horrible odor, the driver then faces a very difficult choice, whether to put up with the musty odor or leave the air conditioning off and put up with the uncomfortable heat. Fortunately, there are cleaning products capable of getting rid of the stink. FrigiClean is not simply a deodorizer. Instead, it is a foaming cleaner that gets at the underlying problem, bacterial growth and mildew inside the air conditioner evaporator. Here's a nice, clean, fresh cabin air filter, one that filters good and will take care of filtering the bacteria and dust and whatnot that you breathe inside your cars. Here is another cabin filter that, as you can see, is very, very dirty. You can see it effectively catches the dirt, dust, pollens, bacteria, and other things that you can't see and don't want to breathe. When it gets to this point too, it restricts your airflow, so it seems like your AC and or heater is not working or is working as good as it should be. I'm Dean, Master Technician at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more. Please like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.